Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be looking at the Latitude 7350 detachable tablet EcoLoop protective case. We're going to do the unboxing and installation with this. Let's jump in. Pretty sweet. So with the protective case, you're going to see shock absorbing TPU corner bumpers to really keep that tablet protected. It's going to be compatible with the keyboard. It's going to have a spot for the pen. And then you think about what also comes with it. You're going to see the shoulder strap. And over here is a hand strap if you wanted to pop that in. So pretty sweet. You definitely have a story here with regards to the sustainability. So over here is that shoulder strap where you are going to see EcoLoop called out right there. Definitely a story there. And it does have a cutout for the kickstand, so your kickstand on the Latitude 7350 detachable tablet will be able to be used right over here. So pretty sweet. Pop that out. You have your user guide. How to set it up, the Dell EcoLoop protective case for the 7350 detachable tablet. Let's cut that. Now we'll pop in the tablet. So as I mentioned, you will see a spot right over here for the pen. It's pretty sweet. And then your hand strap right over here. So a lot of flexibility. Let's take that, pop it in. Just to make sure that TPU and the rubberized bumpers are all in. And you will see that on the back there is a spot for the pen, and you do have your hand strap. You do have access to the kickstand, so if you wanted to get some work done, you're more than welcome to. And now with the keyboard, right, 7350, gotta love that Copilot key. Go ahead, magnetically connect, and then closing it. That's pretty much it. So one of the cool things with the case is you will see that you do have access to the ports if you did need them. And then on the other side, you do have your port here, your wedge lock. You will see your volume buttons, and then on the front of the device you do have your power button protected. So a ton of thought went into designing this case. So with that, we do have the Latitude 7350 detachable tablet protective case. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.